Hello friends, today we'll be looking at the curative jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. It is one of the most important question for AOR examination. We know that the judgment of the Supreme Court is generally final. However, there are provisions under Article 137 of the Constitution under which a review application can be filed by the aggrieved person. In spite, if the review application is dismissed and the aggrieved person feels that he has missed an opportunity to be granted justice and he is not satisfied by the order of the Supreme Court and he feels there has been a violation of laws of natural justice and omission of fact, he can file a curative petition before the Supreme Court. In the form of curative petition, and another opportunity is provided to the aggrieved person to knock on the doors of the Supreme Court. And generally, the grounds for filing curative petition is violation of natural justice, omission of law, or a fact which was not presented before the court or has missed the sight of the court. Now, the review application is generally supported by Article 137. However, the same provision also supports curative petition to be filed before the Supreme Court along with Article 145. Now, let's understand what is Article 137. The Article 137 provides that the Supreme Court can review and correct its own judgment. We know that that is not the powers that are generally available before the lower courts. In fact, even before the High Court. However, additionally, the Article 145 provides that Supreme Court can make its own rules regarding practice and procedure. So since there is no court above the Supreme Court where its own orders can be challenged, the Supreme Court under its rules have provided provisions for curative petition. It is not given in the Constitution of India. It's a practice which Supreme Court allows, and generally a curative petition is addressed by the judges in the chamber. The advocate on record, however, can request that the matter may be heard in the open court and the court may grant it. The case reference which supports or which provides provision for a curative petition has been pronounced in Ashok Hurra versus Rupa Hurra case in the 2002 judgment. And I hope we have the information that we have provided on the curative jurisdiction of the Supreme Court will be of assistance for the AOR examination aspirant. Thank you.